Okay, guys, let's look at these questions. So, a function that converts dress size in the United States. So those in Europe are given by d equals f of x, which is 2x plus 24, where x is the size in the United States. Find the European dress size that corresponds to a US dress size of x equals 8. Okay, so d would be equal to 2 times 8 with a plus 24. So d is equal to 16 plus 24. So d is equal to 40. 40. Okay. Look at the next part here. Find the function that converts European dress sizes to US dress sizes. So notice the notation says x equals f inverse of d. So d equals 2x plus 24. And basically solve for x now. That's the goal here. Keep that in mind. So d minus 24 equals 2x. So then one more time, over here, d minus 24 divided by 2 is equal to x. But notice that in this expression now, right, d is the independent variable right there, the European dress size. So we can say x, or if you like, as an intermediate step, you can say f inverse of d, because d is the independent variable right there. You got that? So now this tells you the relationship between d and x. You're given a value of d, and using that you can find the value of x. So here, in other words, for now, you would just put something like d minus 24 divided by 2. The last part, use the part B to find the US dress size that corresponds to European dress size of 70. So x, which is the American dress size, that would be 70 minus 24 divided by 2. So I'm just using that, d minus 24 over 2. The only difference is, again, here we're now told d is 70. So x equals, you can do this on a calculus, 23. So I put 23 in this box, and that's the whole problem, really. If I like, if it's helpful.